Hello, Jack again. It's been a while. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for the Cardo Packtalk Edge. Those of you who have been using this, you will know that the battery doesn't last. Okay, so usually after using for about 4 months, 5 months, the battery, when you use for about 4 hours, 5 hours, the battery will drop to 50%. And after that, right, you use for another hour, it will drop to 25%, and then suddenly it just cut off. So I've replaced 2 or 3 times already. So you see this number 3, number 4 sets. I think this one is more than 3 sets already lah. Basically, every 6 months or what, I will contact them, and Cardo will ask you to do some tests. The test will be like you're supposed to play radio for about 1 hour, and then you're supposed to show some screenshots that your battery has weakened to like 75%. So if you show that, right, they will give you a new one. If you cannot show that, basically your battery is still strong. Okay, so I've given up, right? I did test this guy recently. It was able to last 1 hour, but when I was using in real life, right, the battery doesn't last. I think about maybe after I use about half a day, the battery will be like 50%, and it cannot last me until 5 o'clock. So usually I would like to ride from 9 a.m. to 5 or 6 p.m. So imagine, right, while riding halfway, you were looking for a hotel, you cannot use, okay? You got no more battery. So I'm going to show you how to replace, but the replacement, I will speed up a bit the video, okay? And where and how to purchase this video lah. Basically, you click the link below, okay? So the tools that came with it, right, cannot be used. The correct one is top 6, top 6. They call it star lah. Okay, top 6. And I will try to open up this. I'll speed up the video. Okay, this one is a bit difficult. Then this one